Hey there, it's Robin with Studio Co-Creative, and today I want to give you a few tips on how to save money with your logo design or your website design. So whether you're just getting started in your business and you're building these things for the first time, or your business already exists and has gained some momentum and some traction, and now you're looking for a rebrand or a new website to tell a better story of what you do and how you do it, I want you to pay attention to this because I've actually been on the forefront and on the sidelines of a ton of branding and web design projects, whether it's been me or my team who have done it, or whether I've been on the sidelines kind of art directing or managing certain projects or seeing my clients work with other service providers. And the thing that I notice that people do wrong is that they go to their designer, whether it's their branding, their logo designer, or their web designer, they go to them with an incomplete strategy or an incomplete understanding of who they are, what they do, who they do it for, and why. And the problem that happens when people do this is that then they expect their web designer or their logo designer to answer some really deep core strategy questions for them. And that's great. They have a lot to say and share. I know every time I've been a part of a design project, I have a lot of great ideas that can help the business and the client out. But ultimately, if you're not coming in prepared with a strong strategy and vision and understanding and a clear message and positioning in terms of your brand and your marketing and your business overall, then you're actually spending a lot more money than you need to on having these designers help you figure your business out. And so this is where I start to see some budgets get overrun, because the design meetings actually turn into basically therapy sessions or strategy sessions. You know, you can go sit down at a bar and have the bartender give you some great life advice, but ultimately they're not necessarily the licensed psychologist or psychiatrist who can really help you work through your problems. And that's what we see often in our industry is a lot of times by the time people find me, and my focus is on building your brand strategy foundation, which is step one, a lot of times they're coming to me and they already have a new website or a new logo, and now they're looking for some additional consultation or strategy work. And they always say every single time without fail, I wish I had met you sooner, because they've gone ahead with building certain things without understanding their strategy first. So like I said, it's a lot more work up front, but then you're saving money in the design process. Then your designer isn't, needing to be your business strategist or needing to be your therapist as you build your business and decide what you want the vision to look like. Do that work first, whether it's with someone like me or someone else who specializes in brand consulting and brand strategy, so that by the time you get to the design work, those things almost create themselves. I know anytime that I've worked on the brand strategy first before doing a website build, the website build goes so much quicker and easier because we know the messaging, we know the intention, we know the customer journey and who this is for and why we're creating it in the first place. So if you want to save money in your next design efforts, do some of that pre-work first in really understanding your business strategy, and especially your business strategy through the lens of a brand and through the lens of marketing, so that your designer can do what they do best, which is make things beautiful, bring your vision to life, and you're doing it from a place of being really rooted and grounded in knowing who you are, what you do, who you do it for, and why. Hope that helps, and we'll see you in the next one.